have a closer look at this product in closer detail. Here's the decorative Mercury glass hurricane candle holder with wavy design, which is great for accent lighting, parties, weddings, baby showers, home decor, and more. In this video, we'll be showing the details of this candle holder and to show what we added to make this a decorative LED lighted candle holder, which we will demonstrate day and nighttime lighting using this product. Let's start off with that it's been crafted from high quality heavy mercury glass. You can also use it for floral arrangements and real plants. Another idea is to fill it up with glass pebbles and add string weighted helium balloons. Now, here's a quick assembly demonstration. By simply providing programmable battery powered LED string lighting, it actually can produce beautiful results. Now, let's look at the results. Here's what they look like lit at night. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.